Hello everyone! For today's video tutorial, we will learn how to use Microsoft PowerPoint for presentation. This is the main interface for Microsoft PowerPoint. We have basically two text boxes here, so we have the title and for the subtitle. So we will add our title and our subtitle. You can also edit the design of your slides. So just simply go to Design and click the design that you want to use. You can also change the font size and the font style by going at Home and clicking here to change the font style and the font size. Now to add new slide, simply click New Slide. So now we can add what we want to present in our presentation. So for now, we will just make a sample presentation. Then next, we can also add some pictures for our presentation. Just simply click Insert, then Picture. And to have customized text box, so you can click on Insert and Text Box. Just simply drag it to create your text box. And you can type or paste the content of your presentation. And this is our presentation. Now, you can customize your presentation by adding some animation. So, just simply click Animations and choose the best animation that fit your style. Now, to view our presentation, so we will go to Slideshow and click from Beginning. Now, you can control your presentation by having or by clicking the arrow buttons on your laptop or PC. And that's how you use Microsoft PowerPoint for presentation. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.